What does audit mean? Besides the definition based on the Latin origin of the word, auditing means to verify based on defined criteria. In quality management, the term audit defines the activity of verifying the application of a set of rules or a defined sequence of steps by specifically questioning persons that are involved in or that perform the activity being reviewed. In addition to questioning, the auditor also observes the activities and compares his observation with the set of rules that serve as a basis for the audit. The set of rules, as standards, laws, and best practices that serve as audit criteria, are determined by the profile of the organization and its relationship to its stakeholders. We are in the medical device industry and thus have our specific stakeholder map. Based on what has been said, we can illustrate what happens to a quality management system during routine operations. The problem is that a level of effectiveness once achieved is not static. The system effectiveness goes down over time unless it is regularly challenged and questioned. The function of audits is to regularly challenge the system's effectiveness. Now, if you want to improve efficiency while maintaining the effectiveness of your system, you may need to put even more engineering and creativity into your audit program. Let's quickly have a look at the different categories of audits that medical device companies can face. First, there are the third-party audits related to the regulatory environment we are active in. In this category, you can have, for example, financial revisions, notified body or competent authority inspections. Secondly, supplier and subcontractor audits that we conduct at our suppliers. Or the other way around, if we are a supplier of a medical device manufacturer and we are audited by our customer, are called second-party audits. And last but not least, we are confronted with the Internal Audit Program of our own organization. This is the subject of our course. According to the ISO 9001 family of standards, there are several types of processes that, as a whole, serve to meet an organization's objectives. These can be grouped as management processes related to, for example, the setup and tracking of the strategy, definition of company policies, definition and tracking of objectives, ensuring communication and responsibilities, and ensuring the availability of all kind of resources and means for the evaluation of the effectiveness and efficiency of the organization and its processes. Realization processes, which comprise all activities that result in a product or service. Measurement and improvement processes, which allow the data needed by management to maintain and improve the effectiveness of the organization and its business processes to be produced.